Here are some tips on using your LR330 air cleaner from Beurer. Pay attention to the instructions for use and safety notes. Position the air humidifier on a flat and humidity-resistant surface with a space of 30 centimeters on each side. Make sure that the air inlet and air outlet of the fan are not blocked. Preparing for use. Remove the top housing cover and then lift out the water tank. Unscrew the seal on the water tank. Fill the tank right to the top with fresh, cold tap water. Close the screwed plug again well. Now reinsert the tank. Place the housing cover back on the device. Insert the mains plug into the socket. Press the on-off button to switch on the air cleaner. The current ambient humidity is shown on the display. The air cleaner has 3 humidification levels. When the air cleaner is used for the first time, it is set to the middle humidification level. To switch between the individual humidification levels, press the fan speed button. The selected level is then shown on the display. You can use the timer function to set the automatic switch off. Press the timer button to select a time between 1 and 12 hours. To set a target humidity, press the RH button repeatedly until the required target value appears on the display. As soon as the set target humidity is reached in the room, the air cleaner automatically stops operating. If continual target humidity is selected, the air cleaner does not stop operating. It humidifies until the water tank is empty. As soon as the water tank is empty, the water tank symbol lights up. The device automatically stops running. To top up the tank, first use the on-off button to switch off the device and then disconnect the mains plug from the socket. The combi filter and pre-filter must be changed after 1000 operating hours. CL flashes on the display and the filter symbol lights up. We hope you enjoy using your LR330 air cleaner from Beurer. Stay healthy!